blessings one by one. When dawn appears and the day has just begun, they will light your heart with happiness, make each hour bright and bring you gladness. Count your blessings one by one. When twilight falls and toil of day is done, and in sweet dreams they'll come again to you. If you will count your blessings each day through. Count your blessings while you may, for we are here but little time to stay. All around a heart sincere and true, lovely things abound just waiting for you. Count your blessings while you may, the big or small, whichever comes your way, for then you'll find this world a place of love. If you will count your blessings from I'll take you home again, Kathleen, across the ocean wide and wild, to where your heart has ever been, since first you were my blushing bride. The roses all have left your cheek. I've watched them fade away and die. Your voice is sad whene'er you speak, and the tears bedim my loving eye. But I will take you back, Kathleen, to where your heart will feel no pain, and when the fields are fresh and green, I will take you to your home, Kathleen. I know you love me, Kathleen dear. Your heart was ever fond and true. I always feel when you are near that life holds nothing dear but you. The smiles that once you gave to me, I scarcely ever see them now. Though and green. I will take you to your home again. Hear my song, Violetta. Hear my song beneath the moon. Come to me in my gondola, waiting on the old lagoon. Serenade across the water. Can you hear it soft and low? A tale of love and lovers singing long ago. Hear my song, Violetta, when the dawn is breaking through. Still with me in my gondola, where we've been the whole night through. Serenade across the water. Can you hear it soft and low? A tale of love and lovers singing long ago. Hear my song in my gondola, waiting on the old lagoon. When first I saw the love light in your eye, I dreamt the world held naught but joy for me. And even though we drifted far apart, I never dreamed but what I dream of thee. I love you as I've never loved before, since first I met you on the village green. Come to me, oh, my dream of love is o'er. I love you as I loved you when you were sweet, when you were sweet, 16. Last night I dreamt I held your hand in mine, and once again you were my happy bride. I I kissed you as I did in old lang syne. As to the church we wander side by side. I love you as I've never loved before. Since first I met you on the village green. Come to me, oh, my dream of love is o'er. I love you as I loved you when you were sweet, when you were sweet 16. There's a sweet little lady named Eileen O'Grady. I wish I could call her my own. And I won't be contented till she has consented to be Mrs. Barney Malone. I first met this treasure out walking at leisure alone on a bright summer's day. Without any warning, the top of the morning, I just said to her right away, come, come, beautiful Eileen, out for a drive with me. Over the mountain and down by the fountain, home through the valley, dear, won't it be lovely? Don't be unkind, make up your mind on a drive to Castlebar.